How to make Game Pass in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Roblox, click on Create at the top after you log into your account. After you press on Create, at the left side you'll find Creations. Click on Creations. Scroll down and click on Place. After that, on left side, scroll down to monetization and click on passes. After you click on passes, click on create a pass. You can change image, add description, add name, then click on create pass. After you click on create pass, simply click on the pass that you created, and at the left side, click on sales. In sales, make sure you turn on item for sales and then price in Robux. Then click on save changes. After that, you're good to go. If you want to view this Game Pass, what you can do is click on three dots and then click on open in new tab, and you'll be able to view your Game Pass. This is how to make Game Pass in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.